First off, we want to recognize CPA firm's responsibilities in its accounting and auditing practice system of quality control. Here, we're going to see that, yeah, you need to train the new hires to make sure that they're able to replace those with more experience. You're going to see all these things if you worked in an accounting firm before. You're going to be like, okay, this is everything that they love to preach, they love to embody. Yes, we need to train everyone. We need to make sure that everyone's getting their CPE hours. There's quality all around, that no one's being left behind, that we're developing our employees so that they can, again, sustainably take over the reins from those above. We want to make sure that everyone's checking everything because, well, the AICPA loves to preach, and it is true. What's the whole point of this license? It's respect. It's the fact that we've earned it, we've worked hard, and we do everything in our power to put actual weight behind it. Because if having a CPA license didn't mean anything, if everyone was just sloppy with their work, well, then that would degrade the whole point, and you probably wouldn't even be trying to get your license anymore. The second point, we also want to apply quality control procedures on an audit or non-audit engagement. We'll talk about what those are. Obviously, just you could simply say checks, making sure that everything's being done properly. We also want to identify the factors to consider in determining the extent to which an engagement team should use the work of the internal audit function specialist or component auditor in an audit or non-audit engagement. In addition to specialists, we could use the client's work. We can use the internal audit work from the client. We can use component auditor. We'll talk about those and how they play a role. Lastly, we want to determine the nature and scope of the work of the internal audit function as well as the component auditor that can be used in any of these engagements as well. With that, let's dive into the material. I know you're just waiting, you're just itching to get there. We're going to dive in, have fun, answer a lot of questions, and get you points for this exam. Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.